to own it.
Now, let's wrap it up here with the dollar. You know, it seems like we have to look at the dollar now for direction because the dollar are going to dictate commodities and commodities will dictate the market. Do you agree with that scenario?
Yes, and we saw the thesis of sell the dollar, buy the markets, buy everything, and then once the dollar broke that downside with that little oversold move, now it's, you know, a little bit more volatility here both ways. I think you could watch the FXC because it's easier to watch than the dollar. You could see what happened here back in early May. You know, we talked about an outside day here. Remember, it tried to break to new highs and close below it, and then wow, look at that move lower. We now held a big moving average, reversed. I think that the euro could bounce back to at least this, 145, and in that time period, that's when you'll see the dollar come lower, and with that, the market can continue to bounce with the commodities, but once the euro gets to that area, then you start to look for an area to sell some longs and maybe reshort this market, reshort commodities after this type of bounce, because if you're, you know, your fundamental guys say silver's going to go lower, you need to time it. That's the what. We tell you the when. So watch the FXC in that area, watch the dollar, and that'll give us clues how to trade the commodities as well as some of the equities.
Just keep in mind that today oil is diverging from the rest of commodities because of this 25% margin increase at the CME. Now it's going to cost over $8,400 to buy. And you know what happened with silver last week? It was 1
Yes.
and then 4 later in the next
True.
2 weeks. So it could be a definitely scary indicator, I think.
Yeah, so keep your eyes and ears open for that. But right now, oil did hold 96, 97. Bounced back to 102. It's over a little bit. I think, you know, it's worth watching, but not that compelling right here.
All right, that's it for us for today. Happy trading, everybody. I'm Alex Steele for The Street.
And I'm Scott Redler at T3 Live. Make sure to follow us onto the virtual trading floor in the chat. Tune in for the recap. Have a great day trading.